Okay, to give students special access is going to be pretty much the same scenario for assignments and quizzes, so we're just going to focus on quizzes. This is probably one of the more common accommodations. So for special access, we're going to go up to activities, go into quizzes. We're going to go into the drop-down menu next to the particular quiz, edit, and all this will be over in the restrictions tab. And we can see this is our regular dates and times that we have set up for the current quiz. Now I'm going to scroll down and go down to special access. Alright, for whatever the reason, say maybe a student missed the quiz and the time and you want to give them a different window than all the other students, or maybe you got a disability notification that requires a student to have say time and a half to take their test, because we do have an enforced time limit. So let's go ahead and click on add special access, and we could change up the dates here, but we still have that block of time we want the students to complete the work in. Now we're gonna, because this is an enforced time limit, and say this student time and a half, we'll give them 90 minutes. You can change up the grace period if you wanted to. And yeah, so it's a separate set of restrictions that you have on the test to make those accommodations. All right, scrolling down, we can change the number of attempts that we want the student to have, etc., etc. Now, right here, we need to select whatever student it is that has these accommodations. And so we'll do two students here, Bob and Gina. We're going to add special access. And now when we scroll down, we can see that we have two students, and it will give us all the different settings that they have. So you can have multiple different settings for multiple different students, all for the same quiz, depending on the needs there. It's entirely up to you and how you want to accommodate students. All right, so with that, if you have any more questions about special access, please contact Caleb or I. We're in the basement of Cowan Hall.